Mastering the moment. The essence of clutch performance. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a thrilling phrase that's widely used in sports, business, and everyday life. Clutch performance. If you've ever wondered what makes some moments truly stand out, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery behind this expression and learn how it applies far beyond the playing field. At its core, clutch performance refers to the ability to deliver exceptionally under pressure. When the stakes are high and the margin for error is slim, some individuals rise to the occasion, performing at their peak. This phrase celebrates those moments of high stress where success is critical, and failure seems just a breath away. It's about shining brightest when the lights are dimmest. Interestingly, the term clutch in this context doesn't directly relate to the mechanical device found in vehicles. Instead, it's believed to have evolved from the clutching action, where someone grasps something tightly or seizes a moment. Over time, clutch has come to symbolize critical moments where performance is key. It captures the essence of taking hold of the opportunity firmly and making the most of it. To truly understand clutch performance, let's look at some examples. In sports, a basketball player making a game-winning shot as the buzzer sounds. In business, a CEO successfully negotiating a crucial deal that saves the company from bankruptcy. In everyday life, a student acing an important exam after studying hard, despite immense personal stress. These instances highlight the versatility of clutch performance and how it can apply to various aspects of life, not just athletics. Clutch performances are celebrated because they embody the human spirit's resilience, determination, and skill. They remind us that, even in the face of overwhelming odds, success is possible with focus and perseverance. These moments inspire others to believe in their capabilities and strive for excellence, no matter the challenge. In conclusion, clutch performance is more than just a phrase. It's a testament to human tenacity and the ability to excel when it matters most. Whether you're an athlete, a student, or a professional, understanding and embracing the concept of performing clutch can transform how you approach challenges in your life. We hope this exploration has illuminated the powerful meaning behind these two words and inspired you to seek your clutch moments. Thank you for joining us, and remember, greatness awaits in those who can master the moment.